m'appelle Brandy Chanell and welcome to my channel. If you are new here on my channel, we talk about everything from hair to makeup and pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button. And if you aren't new, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so this is day 4, technically day 4? I don't know, I'm losing track of time at this point. But we are on our way to Paris. Bonjour, welcome and bienvenue. That's all I got, bienvenue. Alright, is day 4?
Day 4.
Heading to Philly. Billy Joe. Ooh, my face drop. Somebody get this girl some.
That's a nasty. Nice train station. Went to a couple of stores.
Yeah.
Nice.
We forgot to tell them about Tina Turner.
Well, you tell them.
You know.
Tina was awesome.
Yeah,
Looks like
I
somebody I
can't remember.
really know, but she was really good.
It's like somebody you know.
I really know.
Huh?
The actress that played Tina looked like somebody I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know what she
yeah.
looked like.
And I'll leave her name right here on the screen. She was amazing. Like, she was maybe one hair off from Tina Turner herself, sis. She was killing it.
Yeah, but Ike wasn't as good as Ike. He had a
I don't know.
raspy
I never
voice.
heard Ike before.
Oh, yeah. Who saw the movie?
That was Larry Fishburne. He didn't even sing in the movie. He did. That's something I never realized. Well, he did Roll on the River.
Yeah. Yeah, she was awesome.
What was I gonna say? And then something else we did. I feel like we didn't recap on. Oh well, but yeah, Tina was good. If y'all ever in London and it's still running, go see Tina. It was amazing.
What did you tell them about the palace?
Oh yeah, Buckingham Palace. We went to the Queen's place. It was just like it was last time I was there. It's up under construction.
River cruise, that was really nice.
Oh yeah, I have
Bridge
footage of that.
and all that.
But yeah, you can't take footage in the palace, so.
Even though some people were doing that.
Yeah. It was very interesting to see how they acquired some of the art and things that were in the palace. But it's whatever. It was cool though.
Yeah.
She wasn't there. I told her I was coming, but whatever. We'll catch her for tea next week.
And
Later in the week.
Meghan and Harry's pictures were there.
Yeah.
The pictures of their
No
wedding.
pictures of Diana though.
So we asked the question, where was Diana?
Ooh, that lady was quick to be like, oh yeah, she's not here. So there are other photos. All right, next time you see us, we'll be in Bali.
Wee.
Au revoir. And we are here at the train station. So from London to Paris, you can take the amazing Eurostar for a small stack, less than $200 for a train ride from London to Paris, which is amazing. So if you guys look into Eurostar, it's on point. So, yes, we left from, I think it's St. Pancras. If you are my London babies, correct me down there with the pronunciation. But I believe it's St. Pancras, and then you arrive in Gare du Nord in Paris. Paris is, well, Paris, dears. So I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour, and then we're going to head over to the Eiffel Tower. All right, everyone, this is our room tour. I'm your host, Brandy Chanell. This is a nice bed. We'll check out the views in a minute. A nice shower. Okay. We're staying at the Letting Beach. Nice. Oh, we got a towel warmer. Okay, I see you. It is small, but it's really nice and clean. Y'all see it? Okay. Some nice little doodads here. And for the best part, we gotta go check out the view. I'm so excited. We got a window so we can look out and say, good morning, Parisia. Oops. Hold on to your phone, sis. Down that way. Hello, Paris. Bonjour.
I stop here, madam?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Good, good.
We're in the Eiffel Tower. Say hello.
Don't shoot. The Eiffel Tower was a lot better this time than the first time I went. You know, I don't know what it was the first time. Maybe it was the foie gras. I'm not sure, but it was not my cup of tea. But this time, oh my gosh, the mashed potatoes, the chicken, the dessert, the wine, the champs, on point.
Course number 1. What you got over there? Carrot soup?
Yes.
You ready?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Course number 2. Same thing. Chicken, stuffed chorizo, and mashed potatoes. Guess what? Diet is out the window. Bye. I really can't remember what this was. It was some brownie thing. And this is the fritellel. The fritellel. Yum. Delicious. Gotta love a good dessert. Like the bit inside of it when it lights. How cool is that? Look at the beautiful city of Belize. It's so scary. So scary. Sitting over the street or in the middle of the Eiffel Tower. Kind of creepy. Really creepy. I bet. Alright, night night. Just want to let y'all know, little small tip, party girl rule 101. If your feet hurt, never take your shoes off because they will hurt even more when you put them back on. Don't say I told you, but I told you, sis. Okay? Party girl rule 101. We had fun in the Eiffel Tower.
End of the night, all oily, like your outfit, so sis. All wrinkly. Mine just ironed me in. Wrinkly. Whatever. But I love that jumpsuit, sis.
Yeah, we had a blast. It was so nice.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. I believe we forgot to dance y'all out and give you our gratefuls. But have no fear, there's always tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next Paris vlog. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.